Hi guys, welcome to my channel. I hope you guys are doing well. So today's video is a continuation of the MCQ series. So please watch part 1 if you haven't done so already. And without further ado, let's get on with this video. Question number 21. Cystitis is the infection of which of the following? Is it A, pancreas, B, lung, C, liver, or D, urinary bladder? The answer is D, urinary bladder. Cystitis is the infection of the urinary bladder. Question number 22. Pollination by wind is called, is it A, ornithophilia, B, anemophily, C, autogamy, or D, enterophily? So the answer is B. Pollination by wind is called anemophily. A, ornithophilia, is also known as bird pollination, and D is known as insect pollination. Moving on. Question number 23. Plants get their nitrogen from, is it A, air, B, rain, C, soil, or D, none of the above? So the answer here is C, soil. Plants get their nitrogen from soil. Question number 24. Which planet is closest to the Sun? Is it A, Mars, B, Mercury, C, Jupiter, or D, Venus? So the answer is B, Mercury. Mercury is the closest planet to the Sun. Question number 25. Most poisonous plant is it A, dodder plant, B, castor bean plant, C, pitcher plant, or D, none of the above? So the answer is B, castor bean plant is the most poisonous plant. Question number 26. Who developed the first vaccine? Is it A, Galileo, B, Edward Jenner, C, Louis Pasteur, or D, none of the above? Now, if you have seen my first video, then you would know that the answer is B, Edward Jenner. Edward Jenner is also known as the father of immunology, and Louis Pasteur is known as the father of modern immunology. Moving on. 27. Which is the sweetest sugar? Is it A, fructose, B, sucrose, C, maltose, or D, none of the above? Now, one hint would be which one of these options are a monosaccharide? So the answer is A, fructose. Fructose is the sweetest sugar. 28. What is known as the suicidal bag of the cell? Is it A, lysosome, B, chloroplast, C, skin, or D, chromosome? So the answer here is B, chloroplast. Chloroplast is also known as the suicidal bag of the cell. Number 29. Uppermost layer of skin is known as, is it A, epidermis, B, dermis, C, subcutaneous fat, or D, none of the above? So the answer here is epidermis, A. Epidermis is the uppermost layer of skin. Number 30. Oncology is the study of, is it A, soil, B, cancer, C, mammals, or D, none of the above? So the answer here is B, soil. Is B, cancer. Oncology is the study of cancer. Number 31. Name the instrument used to measure the density of milk. Is it A, hygrometer, B, barometer, C, lactometer, or D, none of the above? So the answer here is C, lactometer. And one hint you could also have used in order to find out the answer would be lacto could also insinuate lactose, which is derived from milk. Question number 32. Doctor's thermometer was invented by, was it A, Louis Pasteur, B, Fahrenheit, C, Newton, or D, none of the above? So here the answer is B, Fahrenheit invented doctor's thermometer. Number 33. Dialysis is used to perform the function of what? Is it A, kidney, B, heart, C, liver, or D, lungs? So again, the dialysis is the purification of blood, and this process substitutes for the normal function of kidney. So the right answer here is A, kidney. Dialysis is used to perform the functions of kidney. Number 34. Red color of blood is due to, is it A, RBC, B, WBCs, or C, hemoglobin, or D, plasma? So again, the option A is red blood cells, option B is white blood cells. So in this case, the red color of blood is due to the presence of hemoglobin. Moving on. Number 35. Photosynthesis is fastest in, is it A, sunlight, B, blue light, C, red light, or D, none of the above? Sunlight is the process of synthesizing food from carbon dioxide and water. So this process occurs fastest in red light. C is the correct answer here. Number 37. Purest form of iron is it A, steel, B, white cast iron, C, wrought iron, or D, none of the above? So the purest form of iron is wrought iron. Option C is correct. Number 37. Density of water is maximum at, is it A, 4 degrees Celsius, B, 0 degrees Celsius, C, 100 degrees Celsius, or D, none of the above? So the correct answer here is A, 4 degrees Celsius is the maximum density of water. Number 38. The main constituent of hemoglobin is A, calcium, B, iron, C, potassium, or D, both option A and B? So here the correct answer is B. Iron is the main constituent of hemoglobin. Number 39. Which vitamin is readily manufactured in our body? So here the options are, is it A, vitamin A, B, vitamin B, C, vitamin C, or D, vitamin D? So the correct answer here is D. Vitamin D is most readily manufactured in our body, and this vitamin is also known as sunlight vitamin. Number 40. Goiter is caused due to the deficiency of, is it A, iron, B, mica, C, iodine, or D, none of the above? So the answer here is C, iodine. Goiter is caused due to the deficiency of iodine. So this is the end of the video, end of part 2. Thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. I hope you guys enjoy this MCQ for all 3 sciences, biology, chemistry, and physics. And don't forget to watch part 1 and stay tuned for part 3. So thank you guys. Bye-bye.